Today we are installing alley traffic calming in the east-west alley behind Minor Elementary School. What we're trying to do is try out some new materials to see how we can calm traffic in alleys and improve safety, especially here for the students walking to and from Minor Elementary.
This is a great idea to slow people down as they're coming through this driveway because people speed through this driveway. I got a little kid.
This is our first installation of this specific type of alley traffic calming. And what it is it's made out of recycled rubber. It's about 8 inches wide. And it's either adhesed or bolted into the ground. And what we're doing is we're installing them in an array, and they'll function sort of like a rumble strip. So as drivers exit the alley, we're trying to really notify them and enhance that they are entering a mixing zone and that there's going to be pedestrians walking on the sidewalk and students walking to and from school.